Cow essay in English for students and children. 500 plus words essay on cow. A cow is a domestic animal. Cows are one of the most innocent animals who are very harmless. People keep cows at their homes for various benefits. Cows are 4-footed and have a large body. It has 2 horns, 2 eyes plus 2 ears and 1 nose and a mouth. Cows are herbivorous animals. They have a lot of uses to mankind. In fact, farmers and people keep cows at their homes for the same purposes. Benefits of cows. The most important thing is that cows give us milk. They are an essential source of milk for mankind. The milk given by cows helps us in staying healthy and strong. Milk has a lot of benefits which keeps various illnesses away. Moreover, it also enhances our immune system. The milk also produces a lot of products like butter, cream, curd, cheese and more. Even the cow dung is used for many purposes. People use it as a really rich fertilizer. In addition, cow dung is also an efficient producer of fuel and biogas. Cow dung is also used as an insect repellent. Plus, people also use it as a building material and raw material for paper making. Next up, we see how cow leather is the most widely used form of leather. People use it for making soles, shoes, car seats, belts, and more. The cow leather makes up for almost 60 to 70% of the world leather production. Thus, we see how almost everything of a cow is useful for mankind. We know it carries a lot of importance in the Hindu religion. However, in India, there are a lot of cows that are not taken care of. They are left to roam around on roads through which they get many diseases. They also get into accidents and lose their lives. People and government must take important measures to keep the cows in a safe place so they do not get harmed on a daily basis. Cow in India. Cows are considered to be a sacred animal in the Hindu religion. The ardent followers of religion worship this animal like a goddess. A cow has been honored with the status of a mother in Hinduism. This is why people refer to it as Gaumata, which translates to mother cow. Many followers of religion consider it a sin to kill cows. Nowadays, India has a lot of organizations with the sole purpose of protecting cows. They work to help cows from any danger. They do not tolerate any kind of harm to cows. The government is also taking a lot of measures to protect cows from any injustice. People are coming forward in alliance to safeguard them. They do not prefer any kind of inappropriate behavior with cows. We must work together to protect cows and become the voice for the unspoken. Thank you for watching this video. Please help to click subscribe on my YouTube channel to see daily uploading video. Have good luck and have a nice day. Bye bye.